Austin is the capital of Texas. It's a vibrant city with a lot to offer. The city sits on the Colorado River. It's close to both Houston and Dallas. Austin is known for its warm weather and beautiful scenery. It's a popular place to live and work. Many people are moving to Austin. This makes the city grow quickly. There are new buildings and businesses everywhere. The city is working hard to keep up with the growth. They are building new roads and improving public transportation. Austin is a city with a bright future. It's a place where people can achieve their dreams. Whether you're looking for a job, a home, or just a place to visit, Austin is a great choice. Austin's skyline is changing. Tall buildings are rising in the downtown area. These towers are for offices, hotels, and apartments. They are a sign of Austin's growing economy. The city is changing how it builds homes. They want to make it easier to build different types of houses. This includes townhouses and small homes. These homes can help with the rising cost of housing. Austin is working hard to plan for the future. They're thinking about transportation and land use. The goal is to keep Austin a livable city for everyone. Austin is located in a special place. It's where different types of nature meet. You can find prairies, hills, and forests all around the city. This makes Austin a great place to enjoy the outdoors. Austin has a warm climate. It's sunny most of the year. The city gets rain throughout the year too. This helps the trees and plants grow. Austin is working to protect its trees. They know trees are important for the environment. Austin has some unique landmarks. One of these is the Moonlight Towers. These tall towers were built to light up the city at night. They are a reminder of Austin's past. Austin is also known for its wildflowers. In the spring, the fields are covered in bluebonnets. These beautiful flowers are a symbol of Texas. Austin is a city that embraces its natural beauty. Austin is a city with a rich history and a bright future. It's a place where nature and city life blend together.